Good morning, class. Today we will take up the topic business opportunity as part of the subject entrepreneurship. We will understand the meaning of a business opportunity and some of the examples of business opportunities. So let's begin. A business opportunity involves the sale or lease of any product, service, or equipment, etc., that will enable the purchaser to begin the business. All franchises are business opportunities. Now, if we understand the concept of a business opportunity, it simply means any opportunity that is available to an upcoming entrepreneur using which he can start up his own business venture. As we all know, the present generation likes to set up its own business rather than working for someone else. It has several benefits. First of all, it gives the freedom to the entrepreneur to work according to his own wishes, and also it generates employment opportunities within the country. Our government is also promoting a culture of entrepreneurship in the country, and as part of it, many schemes have been launched by the government. Therefore, people who wish to start up their own business venture should be continuously working towards business opportunities. They should be creative and innovative so that they can explore the various opportunities that exist in the outside environment. However, when an entrepreneur is searching for business opportunities, he has to undergo a process. First of all, he has to scan the environment, and for it, he has to understand the social problems because many a times the social problems can be business opportunities for many. Therefore, the first step is to understand the social problems that exist within society. Next is opportunity identification. Once opportunity has been identified, the next step is evaluation of ideas received. An entrepreneur may receive many ideas. However, all ideas are not feasible. Therefore, he should evaluate all the business ideas or business opportunities that are presented to him. And after that, he should screen those business opportunities or ideas. And then he should identify a product or service that would be a business opportunity and eradicate the social problems. And after that, he should set up a project. Now, we would also understand that all franchises are business opportunities. Franchising can be understood as a business opportunity for many entrepreneurs. Now we will understand some examples of business opportunities. There are many business opportunities available. However, a few of them are as follows. First is consultant. Now, who is a consultant? A consultant is a person who has some knowledge, skills, and abilities, and using his expertise, knowledge, skills, and abilities, he gives a piece of advice to others. Therefore, consultants or acting as consultants could be a good business opportunity. There are many kinds of consultants, like job consultants, etc. Next is tutoring. Now, tutoring can be understood as e-learning as well. It is a form of learning. However, it could be electronically or otherwise also. It has always been a business opportunity for many people. People who like to teach and share their knowledge with others can use this as a business opportunity. They can teach students at schools and college levels. However, tutoring can be also done via electronic modes, that is e-tutoring. Nowadays, we see many people have turned tutoring or e-learning as a business opportunity, and there are many sites that are offering such service. Next is developing apps. Developing applications, various software applications or apps has also become a business opportunity for people who have technical and IT skills. Nowadays, we are using many apps. Therefore, people who are good in developing such software applications can use this as a business opportunity. Next is e-learning. As said earlier, it is much similar to tutoring. Next is food service. People who are good at cooking can also utilize it as a business opportunity. What they can do is they can start a tiffin service or food service for students and for people who are living away from their homes. It is a good business opportunity, especially for women. Therefore, food service has also emerged as one of the business opportunities. Next is content writer. A content writer is a person who is good in language and has good communication skills. He can use his communication skills, most importantly, writing skills, as a profession as well as a business opportunity. Nowadays, we will see many people having linguistic skills, using those skills to have their own businesses. A content writer can write for magazines and even for various websites. Nowadays, the use of the content writer has increased than before. Next is boutique. A boutique could also be a business opportunity for many. If a person is good at tailoring, he can have he can have his own boutique and he can use it as a business opportunity. With some sewing and tailoring skills, we will see many women engaged in such a business. Therefore, opening a boutique has been a business opportunity for many women and a source of income also. Next is makeup artist. A makeup artist is a person who is there to make people presentable, that is, to make people look good. However, the job of a makeup artist is much more than that. He not only makes people look good and presentable, but also he is there to boost up their confidence. Today, the role of the makeup artist has increased many a times. So people who have such skills, they can use the skills and be makeup artists. There are other business opportunities as well, such as an event organizer. Nowadays, you will also see institutions and colleges offering courses relating to event management. Now, you could be an event manager. Now, what does an event manager do? An event manager organizes events on your behalf. It could be any event, it could be any family function, it could be a birthday party, etc., etc. Or it could be any professional function as well. Nowadays, event managers or event organizers are in huge demand. So, this was the, an example of business opportunities. So, that was the topic for today. Thank you.